We're gonna unpack the Canon M50 MK2. A folder, warranty. This is in mine, but this is probably not gonna be something for yours because this is some UK kind of message. And then this is the manual. It's a big manual. Thanks for choosing Canon. Get started straight away. We've got a battery here. It's a lithium battery. It's the LPE12 battery, 7.2 volts. This is a strap for your camera. So you can attach that to your camera and then you can hang it around your neck. This is the Canon M50 MK2. It comes with a lid for the camera itself, so it can get dirty. On the back we got the flip screen. Then we have this. For the United States it will look a little bit different because this is for loading the batteries, and because I'm in the EU, I've got an EU plug on here, which I have to put in here. However, for the UK one, on the back you have like a flip with a UK power supply in it. Then the box is empty.